Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today, as a part of our assignment, we are going to discuss the key based on the lesson If I Were You, written by Douglas James. I will be reading some questions and explaining the answers. Please note down. Question number 1. Briefly describe Gerard's appearance. Answer. Gerard is a man of medium height and wears horn-rimmed glasses. When the play opens, he is dressed in lounge suit and a great coat. He talks in a cultured voice and his demeanor is confident. I will be writing the key points on the board. Please note down. The key points are: he is a man of medium height. He is a man of medium height. He is a man of medium height. First point. Second point. He wears a horn-rimmed. He wears a horn-rimmed glasses. The third point. He is dressed in lounge suit and a great coat. Number fourth point, he has a cultured voice. And demeanor, and his demeanor is confident. So these are the points. What we need to know about Gerard. Again I read. Gerard is a man of medium height and wears horn-rimmed glasses. He is dressed in lounge suit and a great coat. He has a cultured voice and his demeanor is confident. These are the points where we note down related to his appearance. Now let us see the next question. Second question. Who was the intruder in Gerard's house? Who was the intruder? The intruder who broke into Gerard's house was a murderer. He was a criminal. He had murdered a cop and was being chased by the police. So who was the intruder who entered Gerard's house? He was a criminal. Who had murdered a cop means police, and was being chased by the police. Okay. Who was the intruder who entered Gerard's house? He was a criminal who had murdered a cop and was being chased by the police. Okay. Next question. Why did he break into the house? Why did he break into Gerard's house? Why? He broke into Gerard's house with an intention of murdering him and taking on his identity to evade the police. So, why did he enter? Let us see the key points of this answer. Key points. He broke into his house He broke into his house to murder him, and take his identity to evade the police. So why did he enter? He entered into his house to murder him and take his identity and to evade the police. Now let us see the next question. Question number 4. How did Gerard behave on seeing a gun-toting stranger in his cottage? How did he behave? How did he react? How did he behave? Gerard kept his cool and remained absolutely unruffled when he saw the gun-toting stranger in his cottage. There was neither any panic or any sigh of tension in his voice. He remained his normal self and talked to him casually. In one word, in one sentence, we can say he did not panic and he kept himself cool and talked to the gun-toted stranger in a normal way. I will be writing the key points over there. Please note down. Okay. He kept himself cool. He kept himself cool and he didn't panic or showed any kind of tension. He remained his normal self. He remained his normal self and talked to him casually. So how did he react? He kept himself cool and he did not panic or showed any kind of tension. He remained his normal self and talked to him casually. Now let us see the next question. Why did the intruder not kill Gerard immediately? Why didn't he kill immediately? The answer is the intruder did not kill Gerard immediately because he first wants to get all the necessary information from him. Without this information, his plan to take Gerard's identity will not succeed. So the key points are, why didn't he kill him immediately? He didn't kill him immediately because he wanted to get all the necessary information okay. Without this information his plan to take Gerard's identity will not succeed. Okay, he wanted to take all the information. Otherwise, his plan to take his identity will not succeed. Now let us see the next question. How did the intruder threaten Gerard? How did he threaten Gerard? The intruder threatened Gerard by saying that he would soon stop being smart. He would make General Gerard crawl. So he told that he should not be smart. He threatened him not to be smart. And he told that he will be soon crawling. He told that not to be smart. Not to be smart. He would make him crawl. He would make him crawl. So he told that you should not be over smart. If you are smart, I will make you to crawl. Next question. What sort of information did the intruder want from Gerard? What sort of information? Listen carefully. The intruder wanted personal details from Gerard, like whether he lived alone, what was his Christian name, whether he had a car, whether people visited him. All this information he wanted from Gerard. Okay, so if he gets all the information, you could kill him and he will take his identity and become like and live like Gerard. Okay, so what is the information he wanted to gather? Let us see the key points. He wanted his personal details. He wanted his personal details. He wanted his personal details. Whether he lived alone. Next point. What his Christian name was. Next one, whether he had a car, who are the people visit him, etc. So that he could kill him and he would take his identity. Okay. Next question. Why did the intruder say they can't hang me twice? Why did he say? I will read the answer. The intruder said this because he already wanted for having murdered a cop. If he managed to kill Gerard as per his plan, he was later arrested. It would not matter as the punishment for this murder too. He would be hanging. They could not hang him for the two murders twice. So why did he want to kill? What was his opinion? What did he say? That he can't hang me twice because he already killed a cop. Next point. If he kills Gerard and caught, they can't hang him twice for two murders. So this was the point. So what did he say? He told that I already killed one cop and the police is searching for me. If I kill you and the police cop catches me, they can't hang me twice because I have murdered twice. They can't hang me twice. So that was the opinion. That's why he said these words to Gerard. Children, I hope you all noted all the questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.